bacon and sausage, and I think there's actually some bacon seeds over here. What is crappening? We're gonna get this skid steer loaded with Brandon. Sorry for the wind. And gotta go down and get this grader, that grader attachment that goes on the Bobcat, so that they can return it tomorrow. So we're gonna load the skid steer up. We're gonna go pick the grader up. So Brandon's gonna unload the Bobcat, get that grader right over there, put it right back on here. We're gonna get the heck out of here. Got the Bobcat loaded and the grader loaded, and we're gonna take it so they can take it to turn it in tomorrow. All right, let's go load some corn, you know, in the truck. We gotta go get the truck. We gotta go get the truck and take it over to the seed shed. Brandon's in the truck with the grader. Here we are. Here we are. All right, here he comes. Let's get the other door opened up. Just give you all a little idea what we're working on here. So we put this motor on the sweep here.
Oh, broke it again.
Broke what? Oh, that top piece, that cover.
Yeah.
So we'll just run a power cord to the to this electric motor here, and this sweep will go around and kind of help us clean out the rest of our corn in here. But one of us will jump in and help it sweep once we get down to the bottom. But Brandon will get this belt on here, and we'll be sweeping corn into the truck. So we got the sweep attached in the grain bin here, and Brandon's gonna get her going.
You're on YouTube.
Hey! We're gonna get her going, and I'm interested to see how it works. I'm sure you all are too. Get this truck backed up a little bit.
With the finest leathers known to man. They're about integrity, style, they're about the way of the cowboy.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. We're ready to load some corn, boys and girls. Yeah, this will be a fun little show. Feed corn from this bin through this chute into the leg, up the leg, into the top chute up there, and then over into this building into the truck. So you're not missing anything. Well, we're gonna watch everything going on in the bin. Got that floor sweep going. Woo! We're gonna check the truck, trailer and see how much corn's on it right now. We've been playing in the crane bin there for a little while and getting all dusty and getting the bin cleaned out, but we need to do a check and we need to move our truck. We need to move our truck. Ah! Let's see where we're at here. Woo! We got a little full there. Oh, we need to move her forward just a little bit. Just a little bit, because we're banging on the crossbars on the trailer.
In the United States for a reason, because we do have the best, most innovative group of professionals in the world. For anyone who's thinking of voting for the Democrats,
Right there.
we want to first
See ya! There she rolls. Well, that was a fun little corn bin adventure. Hey, we're back at the shop for a little bit. See what Jeremy's got going on in here. Took us just about all day to load that load of corn. Bunch of slackers. Haven't got a dang thing done all day, huh? All we've been doing is playing in the corn. You know, they got one of those big corn bins up there at Lewis Farms. That's what we were doing. Just playing in the corn crib while Jeremy's here working away. Oh, he's cleaning the truck. Whoo! Look at the shiny dash. Dang, new shifter boot.
Yep.
That looks good, man. Polished it. That's awesome. I don't know what we're gonna do with this nice piece of equipment.
Painted the bolts black. I got gold washers.
Damn. That looks good, man. We got one load of corn filled.
Athletes in the West Michigan.
Me and Brandon are gonna go grab some pig feed and some bedding. This pig feed unloaded because, you know, pigs gotta eat, right? I love pork chops. I love pork sausage. I love ham. Is that what you tell yourself to get you through this? Yep.
That's what you gotta tell yourself. I like steaks. Oh, wait, there's nothing to sell. You said both these 18s up over here? Yeah, okay. See what I'm saying? Some pigs are comfy. Yeah?
Bacon and sausage, and I think there's actually some bacon seeds over here. I plant these bacon seeds and they'll grow up to make big strips of bacon. Oh, three.
They're not that little.
They're not little anymore. They're almost ripe for the picking. No, they're a little small for eating.
Only whole roasted.
Only whole roasted. And all the cattle are in because it's cold and windy outside. You guys just cleaned these pens. Look at how much poop's in there already.
Yeah.
And burger.
Hey,
Back
a
strap.
roast,
Rump roast. Right there's a rump roast.
brisket,
Ooh. You
hamburger,
all look
meatloaf.
delicious. And they got a couple of calves. Well, he ain't calves no more.
No, these are the ones going in for, they're going into my tummy.
Oh, these ones are getting butchered soon.
Yeah.
These ones are gonna go to the butcher block and be turned into steak and burger and all kinds of delicious beef
The good
products.
stuff.
Yeah. But are USDA certified now.
Yep.
So you can come right up here and purchase your homegrown, grass-fed, free-range, any kind of pork or beef products that you would like. Come see us at the farm. But anyways, we got the feed put in. We're gonna take this truck back over to the Eilers farm. Okay, I'll follow you over there. I'm gonna close this to go around the other way and shut everything up. Well, that's a wrap today on the farm. That was a lot of fun and got a few things done out here. Didn't get any cleaning done, but that's all right. We got a load of corn loaded up. I got that grader for the Bobcat loaded up, so those guys can take that back tomorrow. And got a few other little odds and ends things done. So, hey, if you guys like what you've seen, go ahead down there and give me a like and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the video, what I can work on, and just say hi. It's all good, man. Leave a comment, say hi, whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a sweet new video. Till the next one, see ya!